राम राम। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। शारदा शारदाम्बोजवदना वदनाम्बुजे, सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं सन्निधिं क्रियात्। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत्, तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद, रामदूत दया सिंधो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो। Ram Ram Ram. Welcome to all of you for today's class of Learn to Chant Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Just as a recap, in this course of learning to chant Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, we started off with learning the Purva Pitika shlokas, starting from Shuklam Bardharam Vishnum till Chayayam Parijatasya. We learned that, and then we started learning the Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, which is starting from Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkaro till Vanamali Gadishanki. 108 slokas we learnt. First we learnt it to chant pada by pada. Now we are in the process of chanting full line. Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhuhu. Like that we are chanting the full line. So last 2-3 classes, it was more like we were doing the Parayanam. So I did the Parayanam and with Anucharanam from with the Anucharanam. And today's class is practice session as announced in the last class. So all of you have the opportunity to kind of chant. So please request all of you to kind of raise hands. Whoever wants to chant, you can start raising hands and then I'll call out the name. You can unmute and then chant and then mute again so that others can unmute and chant. So that will be helpful. So all of you whoever wants to kind of chant. And my another request is also that do not be shy to chant, because all of us are in this journey of learning to chant. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay, because that's how we will learn. So we will even if we make mistakes, we'll be able to kind of correct from there and then kind of take it forward. So I encourage all of you to kind of raise hands so that how many ever we can do. We have 1 hour, so we can definitely get, most of us can get chance to chant at least one shloka. So please raise hands and then we can do we can practice chanting the shlokas. With that we'll start. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna ध्यायेत् Sarva Vighnopashamtaye Narayanan Namaskritya Naran Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakteh Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatan Taponidhim Sasankhachakram Sakirita Kundalam Sapita Vastram Sarasiruhekshanam Saharavakshasthala Shobhikaustubham Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam Chayayam Parijatasya Hema Simhasanopari Asinamam Budashyama Mayatakshamalankritam Chandrananan Chaturbahum Srivatsankitavakshasam Rukmini Satyabhamabhyam Sahitam Krishnamashraye. Om Vishwasmai Namaha. So all of you can be ready. As soon as I call your name, you can unmute yourself and chant. And then after chanting, the request is that please mute yourself again. I will not be able to kind of go back and mute again. So please, first you can unmute and chant, and then immediately after that, please mute yourself. That will be helpful. We'll start with Aditi. First sloka. Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Ram Ram Ram. Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhuta Krit Bhuta Bhrit Bhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Uttama. Only in the first line, Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro, that is also correct. But maybe we try if we can do from next time. Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro. That will be nice. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Next is Aparna Gauri. Bhutatma Paramatma Cha.
Bhutatma Paramatma Cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyayah Purushah Sakshi Kshetrajñokshara Eva Cha.
Dhanyavadaha. Next is Anita.
Ram, Ram,
Yogo
Ram.
Vidam.
Yogo Yogavidam Neta Pradhana Purusheshwarah Narasimha Vapushriman Keshavah Purushottama.
Purushottamah, there is visarga in the end. Purushottamah. Similarly, Yoga Vidanneta, yoga, you chanted Yoga Vidam Neta, that is correct. But more apt will be Yoga Vidanneta, that we can try
Okay,
that.
Mahoday.
Dhanyavad.
Okay.
Ramasamy. Sarvasharvah.
सर्वशिवस्तानुर्बोधादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो वर्धा प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः.
Maybe you can try giving more stress on the Mahaprana Aksharas. There are many Mahaprana Aksharas on both the lines. So you can stress little more, that will be lot more. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Rita. Swayambhuhu.
Ram Ram Ram. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahaswanaha Anadinidano Datha Vidhata Dhaturuttamaha.
Uttam. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Lalita. Aprameyo.
अप्रमेयो हृषीकेशः पद्मनाभो मरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः.
Uttamam. Hrishikeshah Padmanabho. That will be much more better. One. Second, Vishwakarma Manustvashta. Ta is Alpa Prana. It is not
Okay,
Tvashta.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. It was nice.
धन्यवादः.
Next is Prabhavati. Agrahya Shashvatah Krishno.
Agrahya Shashvatah Krishno Lohitasha Pradaganaha Prabhudastvika Kundama Pavitram Mangalam Paramam.
Mangalam Param. That's all. It is not Param. Param.
Yes, yes.
Dhanyavadaha.
Mangalam Param.
Next is Nidhi. Ishanah Pranadah Prano.
ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः.
Maybe little more stress on Mahaprana will be much more nicer. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Shri Kumari. I encourage while I'm calling out the names, There are many people who have still not raised the hand. I encourage everyone to raise the hands so that you'll get an opportunity to chant or practice. And if we don't hesitate or don't shy away if I make mistakes, within all of us are in the same journey of learning, so it is okay to make mistakes and learn from it. So I encourage everyone to raise hands so that we can practice. Yes, please. Ishwaro Vikrami.
ईश्वरो विक्रमे धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्षः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान्.
Uttamam. Next is Bhanumati. Suresha Sharanam Sharma.
नमस्कारः.
Ram Ram Ram.
सुरेश शरणं शर्म विश्वरेथः प्रजाभवः अहस्तं वत्सरो व्याल प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः.
Uttamam. In the second line, Aha Samvatsaro. Aha Samvatsaro. Aha Samvatsaro.
अहः संवत्सरो व्याल प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः.
Correct. Yes. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Kamala Shankar. Ajas Sarveshwaraha.
राम राम महोदय. अजः सर्वेश्वरः सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषा कपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिसृतः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Krishnan. Vasur Vasumanaha.
राम राम. वसुर वसुमना सत्य समात्मा समितः समः अमोदः पुंडरीकाक्षो वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Sudha. Rudro Bahushira.
रुद्रो बहुशिरा बभ्रुर्विश्वयोनिश्शुचिश्रवाः अमृतः शाश्वतस्थाणुर्वरारोहो महातपाः.
Uttamam. Next is Srilata. Sarvagas Sarvavidbhanuhu.
सर्वगः सर्वविद्भानुर्विश्वक्सेनो जनार्दनः वेदो वेदविदव्यङ्गो वेदाङ्गो वेदवित्कविः.
Uttamam. Next is Kirti. Lokadhyaksha Suradhyaksho.
लोकाध्यक्षः सुराध्यक्षो धर्माध्यक्षः कृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहश्चतुर्दंष्ट्रश्चतुर्भुजः.
Uttamam. Next is Anik. Yes, Anik. Bhrajishnur Bhojanam.
भ्राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदादिजः अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः.
Uttamam. Very nice to hear all of you chanting so nicely. Dhanyavadaha to all of you. Let's
Thank
continue.
you.
Next is Manikandan. Upendro Vamanaha.
Ubendro Vamana Pramsuhu Amoghas Susirujjidaha Adindara Sangara Sargo Tridhatma Niyamo Yamaha.
Uttamam. Atindra Sangraha.
Adindra Sangraha.
Correct.
Then
Atindra Sangraha Sargo. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Bhagya Lakshmi. Vedyo Vaidyaha.
Namaste, sir. Vedyo Vaidya Sada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhu Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha.
Next is Tungapatra. Please be on mute, others. Mahabuddhir Mahaviryo.
Ram Ram, sir.
Ram Ram.
Am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देश्य वपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महादृदृत्.
Mahadhit. Correct. धन्यवादः.
Mahadृदृत्. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवादः. विजया सुन्दरं. महेश्वासो.
राम राम. महेश्वासो महीभर्ता श्रीनिवासः सदां गतिः अनिरुद्धः सुरानन्दः गोविन्दो गोविदाम्बदिः.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादः. नेक्स्ट इज वसंती. मरीचिर्दमनो.
मरीचिर्दमनो हंसः सुपर्णो भुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभसुतपावः पद्मनाभः प्रजापतिः.
Uttamam. I request all others to be on mute so that I can hear one voice. Dhanyavadaha. This was nice. Next is Shailaja. Amrityus sarva driksimhaha.
अमृत्युः सर्वदक्षिंहः सन्दाता सन्धिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्शनः शास्ता विश्रुतात्मा सुरारिः.
Uttamam. Very nice. Next is Indira. Gurur Gurutamo Dhama.
Namaste, sir. गुरुर्गुरुतमो धाम सत्यः सत्यपराक्रमः निमिषो निमिषस्रग्वी वाचस्पतिरुदारधीः.
Uttamam. Very nice. Jyoti, Dr. Jyoti, I guess. Jyoti Makkar. Agranir Gramanihi.
अग्रणी ग्रामणि श्रीमान् न्यायो नीता समीरणः सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात्.
Uttamam. Very nice. Next is Mayavati. Mayavati, I guess. Avartano Nivrittatma.
So can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
No, actually, this is my first class, sir. Today only I've joined it.
Oh, okay, fine, no problem. So maybe what you can do is there are recordings on the course page of all the previous classes. You can listen and learn, and then you can maybe next 1 or 2 classes when we have the next practice session, you can chant.
Okay, sir. Okay, now what have just shall I try it, sir?
No, it's okay. You can hear for today. Since today is the first class, you can listen. You can be on listen mode today. You can hear all the things, then maybe practice, and then maybe the next practice session you can chant.
Next practice section will be new chanting or what, sir?
I will let you know. Once you continue attending the class, I will let you know.
Okay, fine, sir. Okay.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Natarajan. Avartano Nivrittatma.
आवर्तनो निवृत्तात्मा संवृतः संप्रमद्दनः अहः संवत्सरो वाणिरनिलो धरणीधरः.
अहः संवर्तको वह्निः अनिलो धरणीधरः. धन्यवादः. Next is Balavant Suri. Suprasadah Prasannatma.
Suprasadah Prasannatma Vishwadruk Vishwabhub Vibhuhu Satkarta Satkruta Sadur Jarhur Narayano Naraha.
I was telling in the second line, Satkarta Satkruta Sadhuhu. If you say Sadhuhu, Janhur Narayano Naraha, or Satkarta Satkrita Sadhur Janhur Narayano Naraha. That's a way. You chanted Sadhuhu, which is good. Then Janhur Narayano Naraha. We should not say Sadhuhu, Sadhu Janhur. We should not. Sadhuhu.
Got it.
Dhanyavadaha. Very nice. Very nice. Next is Mohan. Asankheyo.
असंख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा विशिष्टशिष्टकुच्छुचिः सिद्धार्थः सिद्धसंकल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः.
Very good, nice. I'm not sure, maybe you said Kruchuchihi, but I could hear, it is Krich, Vishishta Shishta Krichichi, Kri, not Ku, Krichichi. Dhanyavada, it was nice. Next is Ramanathan, Vrushahi Vrishabho.
Ram. Vrushahi Vrishabho Vishnur Vrishaparva Vrishodaraga Vartano Vartamanartha Vidikta Srutisagaraga.
Very nice. Next is Harish, Subhujo Durdharo Vagmi.
Subhujo Durdharo Vagmi Mahendro Vasudo Vaso Naikarupo Bruhadrupas Shipivishta Prakashana.
Very nice. Next is Setu, Ojas Tejo.
Ojas Tejo Dvididaraha Prakashatma Pratapanaha.
And once again, Ojas Tejo.
Ojas Tejo Dvididaraha Prakashatma Pratapanaha. Rudra Sampashtaksharo Mantraha Chandranshur Bhaskaradvitihi.
So this is dyu. This is half the and ya. Dya and ukara is there. Dyu. Ojas tejo dyuti dahara. Dyuti dhara.
Yeah, Dyuti dhara.
And in the second line, riddha riddha spashtakshara.
Okay.
Spashtaksharo. Say mantra.
Spashtaksharo mantra. Mantro Chandranshur
Bhaskara Dyutihi again. Similar to Dyuti Dharaha. Dyutihi. Okay. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Next is Lali, Amrutam Shudbhavo Bhanuhu.
Amrutam Shudbhavo Bhanu Shashabindu Sureshwaraha Aushadam Jagadasedu Satya 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 Dharma Parakramaha.
Jayanti, Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannathaha.
Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannathaha Pavanah Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakritkantah Kama Kamapradah Prabhuhu.
Very nice. Okay, now I guess what I will do is I have lower all hands. Whoever wants to chant again can raise your hands once again, and then I will call your name. Whoever is there, I can call names once again. Yeah, so I will give maybe 5 more seconds. If you want to chant again, you can raise. People who have not chanted also can raise your hands once again, so that you get, all of you get the chance to chant. I'll come back from Ramanathan Mahodaya once again. Yugadikrit Yugavarto.
Yugadikrit Yugavarto. Naikamayo Mahasanaga Adrisyo Vyakta Rupatsa Sakatra Jita Sanandajitte.
You can go on mute, please. Srilata. Ishto Vishishtaha.
Ishto Vishishta Shishteshta Shikhandi Nahusho Vrushaha Krodhaha Krodhakritkarta Vishwabahur Mahidharaha.
You can go on.
So did I spell all the shas correctly? The first and second ones. Thank you.
That's correct. Yes. Next is Shri Kumari. Achyutah Prathitaha.
Achyutah Prathita Prana Pranado Vasavanujaha Apannidhiradhishtanam Apramattah Pradishtitaha.
Very nice. Next is Vasanti. Skanda Skandadharo.
Skanda Skandadharo Duryo Varado Vayuvahanaha Vasudevo Brihatbanu Radideva Purandaraha.
In the second line it is Vasudevo Brihatbhanuhu Adidevo Adidevah Purandarah, or Vasudevo Brihadbhanura Purandarah. We should not split at Vasudevo Brihadbhanura we should not. Either we should tell this full line, full word together. Brihadbhanura Purandarah or Brihadbhanuhu Adidevah. Okay, dhanyavadah.
Okay. That's
Next is Anita. Ashokastaranastarah.
Okay, Mahoday. Ashokastaranastarah Shaurar. Sorry, Mahodaya, I'll chant once again. Ashokastaranastarah Shura Shaurir Janeshwarah Anukulashatavartah Padmi Padmanibhekshanah.
You can just focus on also on the Mahaprana, Padmanibhekshanaha. That will be nice. Next is Vasanti Bhagini. Padmanabhora Vindakshaha.
Padmanabho Ravindakshah Padmagarbha Sharirabhrit Mahardir Ruddho Vriddatma Mahaksho Garudatvajah.
Uttama. Lalita Bhagini. Atulasharabho.
Atulashtarabho Bhimas Samayagno Havirharihi Sarvalakshana Lakshanyo Lakshmivan Samitinjayah.
Rita. Viksharo
Viksharo margo hetur damodara sahaha mahidharo mahabhago vegavanamitashanah.
Krishnan. Udbhavah Kshobhano.
Udbhava Shobhano Devas Sri Garbha Parameshwaraha Karanam Karanam Karta Vikarta Gahano Guaha.
Next is Mohan. Vyavasayo
Vyavasthana Samsthana Sthanado Dhruvaha Paradhit Paramaspashta Spashta Shubhekshanaha.
Others, please be on mute. Paradhih Paramaspashtaha Tushtaha. After Spashta, it is Tushta. Tushta Pushta Shubhekshanaha.
Shubhekshanaha.
Correct. Can be on mute. Next is Aparna. Ramo Viramo.
Ramo Viramo Virato Margo Neyo Nayo Nayaha Vira Shakti Matam Shreshto Dharmo Dharma Viduttamaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Aditi. Vaikuntah Purushaha.
Vaikuntha Purusha Prana Pranada Pranavaprutuhu Hiranyagarbha Shatrupyo Vyapto Vayuradhokshajah.
Kirti. Rutusudarshanaha.
ऋतुः कालः परमेष्टि परिग्रहः उग्रः संवत्सरो दक्षो विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः.
Anik. Vistarasthavarasthanuh.
Vistarasthavarasthanuh Pramanam Bijamavyayam Artho Nartho Mahakosho Mahabhogo Mahadhana.
Uttama. Next is Lali. Anirvinnastha Vishtobhuhu.
Anirvinnasta Vishtobhur Dharmayopo Mahamakaha Nakshatranimir Nakshatri Kshamakshama Samihana.
Nakshatranimir Nakshatri Kshamaha. We have to take it.
Kshamaha Kshama Samihana. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Next is Tumkapatra. Yajna Ijyo.
Ramji. Yajna Ijyo Mahejyascha Pradusatram Sadangatihi
सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञानमुत्तमम्.
Next is Jyoti. Suvratah Sumukha.
सुव्रतः सुमुखः सूक्ष्मः सुघोषः सुखदः सुहृतः मनोहरोजितः क्रोधो वीरबाहुर्विदारणः.
Suvratah Sumukha Sukshmah. Dhanyavadah. Otherwise, next is Sudha. Swapanasvavasho.
स्वापनस्ववशो व्यापी नैकात्मानैककर्मकृत् वत्सरो वत्सलो वत्सी रत्नगर्भो धनेश्वरः.
Next, I guess maybe this is the third round which we are going. Sri Lata. Dharma Gub Dharma Krit Dharmi.
Hello, sir. Dharma Gub Dharma Krit Dharmi Sadasatksharam Avijñāta Sahasramshur Vidhata Kritalakshanaha.
Krishnan. Gabhastine Sattvastaha.
गभस्तिनेमि सत्त्वस्तः सिंहो भूतमहेश्वरः आदिदेवो महादेवो देवेशो देवभृद्गुरुः.
Kamala. Uttaro Gopatirgopta.
उत्तरो गोपतिर्गोप्ता ज्ञानगम्यः पुरातनः शरीरभूतभृद्भोक्ता कपीन्द्रो भूरिदक्षिणः.
Kirti. Somapomrutapah Somah.
सोमपोमृतपः सोमः पुरुजित् पुरुसत्तमः विनयो जयस्तत्यसन्धो दाशार्हः सात्वतां पतिः.
Dasharhas Satvatam Patihi. It was nice. Dhanyavadah. Rita. Jivo Vinayita.
जीवो विनयिता साक्षी मुकुन्दो मितविक्रमः अम्भो निधिरत नन्दात्मा महोदतिशयोऽन्तकः.
Again, once again, Aparna. Ajo Maharha Swabhavyah.
अजो महारस्वाभाव्यो जिता मित्रः प्रमोदनः आनन्दो नन्दनो नन्दः सत्यधर्मा त्रिविक्रमः.
Sudha. Maharshih Kapilacharyah.
महर्षि कपिलाचार्य कृतज्ञो मेदिनीपतिः त्रिपदिस्त्रिदक्षादक्षो महाशृङ्गकृतान्तकृत्.
Vipadastridashadhyaksho. Dha Mahaprana there. Dashadhyaksho. Dhanyavadah. Right. Shri Kumari once again. Mahavaraho Govindah.
Mahavaraho Govindastushena Kanakangati Guhyo Gabhiro Gahano Guptaschakragadadharaha.
Once again, Lali. Vedha Swangojitaha.
वेदास्वाङ्घोजितः कृष्णो दृढसङ्कर्षणोच्युतः वरुणो वारुणो वृक्षः पुष्कराक्षो महामनाः.
Okay. Kirti once again. Bhagavan Bagahanandi.
भगवान् बगहानन्दी वनमाली हलायुधः आदित्यो ज्योतिरादित्यः सहिष्णुर्गतिसत्तमः.
What I will do is I have lowered everyone's hand now. If you have not got chance even once, if there is somebody and who wants to chant now, you can raise your hand. Sir, I have not chanted even once. I want to chant now. I can. You can raise your hands. Others, please do not. If you have already got chance today, please do not raise your hand. Shri Kumari, I know you have already got a chance. You are raising hand once again. Okay, I'll ask you to unmute. Didn't you get a chance? You can unmute and tell me. You got a chance to this today, Sri Kumari Bhagini? If yes, you can
Yes,
unmute. You can.
yes,
You
I
have
got
got.
the chance. I got the chance.
Please lower your hand. If there is anybody, okay, now I can see one or two names. Nabhaswit Hegde. Hopefully, I pronounced the name correct. Sudhanva Khanda Parashuhu.
Hello.
I don't know who's chanting, whether it is Sri Kumari or Nabhaswit.
Hello.
Nabhaswit, can you chant once again? Sri Kumari Bhagini, you can go on mute.
Okay, sir. Shall I continue? Sudhan, from there only, no? Sudhan.
Who's this? Who's talking? Sri Kumari, you're chanting. Your chance is over. I'm requesting Nabhaswit to chant. Sudhanva Khanda Parashuhu.
Sudhanva Khanda Parashurdaruno Dravina Pradaha Divasprik Sarva Drikya.
Sarva Drigvyaso. Maybe some network issue, not able to hear. Okay, we'll come back. Rama. I'm not sure Rama or Rama. Sudhanva Khanda Parashu. Rama. Khamyatam. I guess last time also I made this mistake. Rama Bhagini. Sudhanva
Khanda Parashudhoruno Dravina Pradaha Devasprakassarvadhagvyaso Vachaspatirayo Nijaha.
Here Khanda Parashur Daruno. Da.
Khanda Parashur Daruno.
Okay, Dhanyavadaha. Next is, okay, there is nobody else who has raised hands who have not got chance. If you've got chance, please, you will not have to raise your hands once again. I guess maybe what we will do is, since there is no one else, no new people, I'm assuming whoever wanted to chant have already got chance. Ramaswamy Mahodaya, I guess you got chance today, right? You were able to chant.
Yes, sir. I have that. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can lower your hand.
Okay.
Is done. Okay. Yeah, I guess whoever has raised hands has got chance. So maybe we'll stop our class, today's class here. I did not get chance, sir. Jambunathan, can you, Jambunathan Mahodaya, can you please raise your hand once again? Maybe I didn't see you raising hands. Jambunathan Mahodaya, if you have I can't see you raising hands. If you have raised your hands, I would have called. Okay, now anyhow I have searched for you. Can unmute and chant now. Trisama Sama Gassama.
Namaskara, Guruji. Trisama Sama Gassama Nirvanam Mejasham Vishak Sanyashahischamaschanto Nishta Santi Parayanam.
Uttamam. So from next time, this was nice. Bheshajam Bhishak. That was nice. So from next time, please raise your hands. There is a button called raise hand. So if you raise hands, I will be able to call your name easily. Dhanyavadaha. It was nice. Okay, so I'm seeing people who are saying I didn't get chance. So Ashish Mahodaya, please raise your hand. I can't see you raising hands. So if whoever has raised hands, I'm calling out their name. I will again search for you, Ashish Mahodaya. Okay. Yeah, still you have not raised your hand. However, I have.
Sir, I guess I did raise my hand, but maybe some reason I don't know why it's not showing up. I'm sorry, but it's not showing up.
Shubhanga Shanti Dasrashta.
Shubhanga Shanti Dasrashta Kumudah Kuvaleshayah Gohito Gopatir Gopta Vrushabhaksho Vrushapriyah.
Nice. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, I guess those were the questions. Could you please chant 91 to 100 slokas if time permits? Okay, I guess we have time. So maybe I will do somebody has asked for chanting from 91 to 100. I will do it once again. And then with that will be maybe end our class. 91. Hope all of you are able to see my screen. Bharabhrit kathito yogi yogishah sarvakamadah ashramashramanah kshamas suparno vayuvahanah dhanurdharo dhanurvedo dando damayitadamah अपराजितः सर्वसहो नियन्ता नियमो यमः सत्त्ववान् सात्विकः सत्यः सत्यधर्मपरायणः अभिप्रायः प्रियार्होर्हः प्रियकृत्प्रीतिवर्धनः विहाय सगतिर्ज्योतिः सुरुचिर्हुत भुग्विभुः रविर्विरोचनः सूर्यः सविता रविलोचनः अनन्तो हुत भुग्भोक्ता सुखदो नैकदोऽग्रजः अनिर्विण्णः सदामर्षि लोकाधिष्ठानमद्भुतः सनातनतमः कपिलः कपिरव्ययः स्वस्तिदः स्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः अरौद्रः कुण्डली चक्री विक्रम्यूर्जितशासनः शब्दातिगः शब्दसः शिशिरः शर्वरीकरः अक्रूरः पेशलो दक्षो दक्षिणः क्षमिणांवरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभयः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः संतो जीवनः पर्यवस्थितः अनन्तरूपोऽनन्तश्रीर्जितमन्युर्भयापहः चतुरश्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः अनादिर्भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिराङ्गदः जननो जनजन्माधिर्भीमो भीमपराक्रमः आधारनिलयो धाता पुष्पहासः प्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वगः सत्पथाचारः प्राणदः प्रणवः पणः प्रमाणं प्राणनिलयः प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्म मृत्युजरातिगः भूर्भुवः स्वस्तरुस्तारः सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः यज्ञभृत्यज्ञकृद्यज्ञी यज्ञभुग्यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञान्तकृद्यज्ञगुह्यमन्नमन्नाद एव च आत्मयोनिस्वयं जातो वैखानः सामगायनः देवकीनन्दनः स्रष्टा क्षितीशः पापनाशनः शङ्खभृन्नन्दकी चक्री शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधरः रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यः सर्वप्रहरणायुधः सर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नम इति वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु श्रीवासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु ॐ नम इति। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Ram Ram Ram. Dhanyavadah for all of you for joining today's class. We'll meet in the next class and we will continue our journey of learning the next set of shlokas, which is Phalashruti Itidam Kirtaniyasya. We'll start learning from there. See you all in the next class. Ram Ram Ram.